What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn on activity status on your TikTok app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your TikTok app. After opening the TikTok, what you have to do, you have to click on your profile just like this. After clicking on this, so what you need to do next, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can turn on your activity status on TikTok. After doing so, you can see here is a bunch of options. What you need to do, you have to click on settings and privacy. After clicking on this, what you need to do, you have to find the option called privacy, just like this option. Okay, you have to click on privacy. Then you can see here is a option called activity status. If you want to turn this on, you have to click on this, then it will be turned on. Or if it is already turned on, then your activity status will be turned on always. So this is how you can do it. This is how you can turn on activity status on your TikTok app. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.